Kingston's Corner, the place to be. Kingston's Corner for you and me. Science,
learning,
so much fun. Kingston's Corner for everyone.
Let's do this. Welcome back to Kingston's Corner. Today I'm going to do a surprise thing. Let's see what it is. Galaxy cookies. Tasty. For today's cookies, you need water, butter, and this mix. Next, we're going to preheat the oven to 375. Pour the blue mix into the bowl. Next, we need to add the butter. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to mix it until it forms into dough. Best of them. Now we have to put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Now that it's out of the freezer, we have to roll it up like wood. Now we're going to bake them for 12 minutes.
1 eternity later.
Time went off. Nobody! Let them cool for 5 minutes. Waiting. Now we're going to put the icing on the cookies. They're all crazy, so it looks like a galaxy. Add some pink sprinkles. Thank you for watching Kingston's Corner. Be sure to hit that bell and subscribe. The bell lets you know when new videos come out, and like the video. Bye!
Kingston's Corner, the place to be. Kingston's Corner for you and me. Science,
learning,
so much fun. Kingston's Corner for everyone.
Let's do this.